Think upgrading to LED lights is a luxury? Think again. Thanks to the long-lasting durability of LED, you can go years without needing a replacement bulb. In fact, LED lights can last up to 50,000 hours, 20 times longer than HID lights. LED lights from your Case IH dealer produce a crisp, bright white light, the closest to real daylight of any artificial light source, for reduced operator fatigue and increased visibility. What's more, their beam patterns cover more area than traditional lights. The solid-state construction of LED lights eliminates fragile bulbs, filaments, and electrodes, making them perfect for the harsh conditions your equipment faces. Plus, LED lights far outlast incandescent, halogen, and HID lights. The results? Major time and money savings over the life of your machine. As an added bonus, the warranty of your LED lights can last between 2 years to the life of your equipment. LED lights use fewer amps than alternative light types, making them ideal for older equipment and contributing to enhanced productivity for any machine. Easy bolt-on installation comes standard. Simply attach your LED lights and wire them up. Visit your dealer or go to partsstore.caseih.com to see the complete selection of our LED lights.